Hello. Welcome to my channel. Hope you are having a great day. In this video, I will introduce you to passive income apps and software like Honeygain. These, when run in parallel, can potentially increase what you earn by sharing your unused internet and data bandwidth. You can install these passive income apps and software on mobile devices like an Android smartphone or an Apple iPhone running iOS. You can also install these on a computer running Windows, macOS, Docker, Linux, and low-powered devices like Raspberry Pi and earn passive income. I have provided registration and installation links for each of them in the description below. Some require an invite code, which is also provided in the video description. So gear up and let us get started. Packetshare. It is just like Honeygain. Very profitable. Currently available for Windows and Android and will soon expand to other platforms. I have provided the invite code on the screen and below to install it. Pawns, previously known as IP Royal Pawns. It is another extremely popular application for passive income. It also has surveys through which you can earn more. Earnapp, by Bright Data. It is used by many users on multiple platforms. It provides an excellent platform for passive income. Pocket. It is available for multiple platforms. It lets you earn additional rewards through its offer wall. I just love its user interface. Monetizer. It is another amazing passive income software I have been using for a while with excellent results. Proxylite is another software that pays you for sharing your unused internet bandwidth. It provides a decent amount of income. Packetstream is a profitable and popular software used by many. It is available for Windows, macOS, and Linux. Peer-to-Profit. It is one of my favorites and I have earned over $100 from it in less than 6 months. You need to have Telegram to sign up for it. ProxyRackPeer is a very nice passive income platform. It is available for Windows and on Linux and MacBooks through Docker. Spied Network is like the others and will complement your earnings. It is available for Windows, macOS, and Linux. Salad shares your computer's CPU and graphics card power to earn you passive income. Use my referral code on the screen or in the description while registering. It will double your earning rate. Run these apps parallelly to increase your passive income. You need to be patient and let the apps recognize and measure your network stability. Share at least 5 GB of data before you start to see a significant jump in profitability. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe and follow my YouTube and Medium channels for more passive income videos and blogs. Click the notification icon to be informed every time I post a new video.